In the Circuit Court, 7th Judicial Circuit in Flagler County, Florida. Case number 2015 CF 387. State of Florida versus Kimberle Weeks, defendant. Verdicts. We, the jury, find the defendant Kimberle Weeks as follows. Count 1. Guilty of the charge of interception of wire communication of Virginia Smith as charged in the information. Count 2.
Well, one of the reasons we went to trial is that we feel that there's a very, very high likelihood of a reversal. Very, very difficult case for both myself and the prosecutors. And the reason why is that Florida's security of communications law was copied from a federal statute that was written in the 80s when telephones were all connected by wire. It has never been changed or altered in any way, and nobody has ever tried any significant number of criminal trials based on the federal or state statute. So there's almost no guidance to go by. So now when you have a case in the era of cell phones 30 or 40 years later, how do you interpret a statute that was written so long ago for technology that is so ancient? Basically, Judge Hudson had probably the most difficult job of all. She had to make sense of a statute that was written in the dark ages in terms of communications and then try to update it. Very, very difficult. This is why, most of these cases end up in the appellate courts. It's the kind of situation where if the legislature doesn't write a new law, it may be that the appellate courts will have to come up with some type of broad interpretation of it so that if these matters come up again, the judges and the lawyers know how to handle it.